So, good evening. How are you all today? Today is Sunday. I hope you'll be able to spend time with your family because family is very important. That's the second from God. First God and then second family. If our family is still alive, it's good to spend time with them because when they are gone, we cannot do anything to bring them back to life. Like me, my parent died long time ago when I was still young. I don't have parents anymore. I miss them, but what to do? They already gone for so long. My father died when I was only 6 years old. My mother died, I think I was only 19 that time. And that's why I miss them. I have 5 siblings, 2 brothers and 3 sisters, but we separate ways. They already married, and me, I'm working in the far away place like here, UAE. I'm OFW here. I live in our province at age almost 14 years old. 13, almost 14 when I live in our place, our province. And find work in the city. Anyway guys, before I go to sleep, I just want to ask how are you all today? And I just want to say have a good night sleep everyone and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. I miss you all and I love you all. Bye. Bye bye.